Good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at this Nasdaq 100 for the next day. So we actually did analysis for the 12. This is a movement, right? We told you guys that we should be expecting a bullish move on this our Nasdaq 100, which we actually did. We saw the price give us that bullish move, right? Now we can see for today, which is 30. We also had a massive bullish move. You can see that this ice was taken out, right? This level was taken out, and again, this level was taken out. So price has now taking out this level and you saw price take out this ice, right? So also have it in mind that the next day that we are trying to predict for a major news will be released, right? Which will kind of affect this movement on our Nasdaq price. But there's no much information on that news that will be released. So it may be difficult for us to actually put together some of the information and try to predict when this movement will be made for the news. But above all, this analysis will be strictly the technical aspect of it. So maybe possibly you can be patient enough. Once this news has been released, then you can go ahead to place your trade. But on the technical aspect of it, you would see that this Nasdaq 100, right, is kind of giving us like a bullish move, right? Then you will see that this price is kind of ranging here. We saw price once came to this level, right? And we saw price came to this same level, which we would take as our resistance level. And we saw price came to this same level again, which will take this top as our resistance level. And you can take this low as support level. So price came to this low, rejected. When it went up, then drop again to take out this lows, went up, then came again to this lows. So we can take this top as a resistance and support level. Now, when you take a look at this Nasdaq 100, you see that there's kind of like also a major level also where price is kind of where price will actually hit and react to. We saw that price will come to this level, dropped, price came to the same level. We kind of had like a pullback around here, which is more visible on the day 4 hour time frame. We will get into that soon. So now that this price have now dropped right to this level, right, I would be expecting a further bullish move for the next day on this Nasdaq 100. So in order to tell you why we'll be moving such way, we would want to take a look at the 4 hour time frame. But before that, you see that this price is still trading above our moving average. Until this price kind of drops and break below our 10 period moving average, then we can look for a way, then we'll be looking for a setup to actually short. We would want to sell on this Nasdaq 100 down to our support level. But if this price is not trading below this 10 period moving average, it does not drop below this 10 period moving average, then we should still see this as a bullish move. Now take a look at this 4 hour time frame on Nasdaq 100, right? So you can consider this as an impulse move, right? Correction, new highs that broke this previous highs. You would not take this as a correction. After that, you should expect price to actually react to this level and give us that bullish move. So you can see that price have once, one of the reasons why I highlighted this mid-range, we saw that price have once reacted to this level here. We saw price reacted here. We saw price react to this level, right? We saw price drop to this level, then went up, right? We saw price reacted to this level. So this is kind of like a level we all should be watching out for. So we expect price to actually react at this level, right? So the next day, we'd want to see our price give us a bullish move at this level. So now that price has dropped to this same level, right? We should expect a further bullish move on Nasdaq 100. So Nasdaq 100 we expect to go bullish, and you can now see that this price is now below our still above our 10 period moving average. So as long as it is still above this moving average, we will still want to consider this as a long movement or a bullish movement. Instead to this price just and break below this 10 period moving average, then we might want to change the direction of our trade. But since it is still trading above our moving average, which is 10 period moving average, then clearly this is still an uptrend move. And now let's see what this 1 hour time frame says. So clearly we can see that this is an uptrend move, right? Price just kind of give us like a pullback. So the next day we should expect a bullish move on Nasdaq 100, thereby giving us an upward and close bullish move for the next day.